Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. There are always tons of great new products that debut at Creativation every year, but the standout product this year was the foil quill from We Are Memory Keepers. And I'll let the representative from We Are Memory Keepers tell you a little bit more about it.
Hey, I'm Allie Donsdale here at the We Are Memory Keepers booth, and I'm going to tell you all about our new foil quill. It's a heat transfer pen. It's an attachment that goes into your machine where your blade or your pen would go. It heats up and then it transfers foil onto your materials, and absolutely beautiful results come from it. So let's take a look at how this works. Normally you would use your cutting mat, put your material down, then you would put the foil on top and tape it down with our placement tape to hold it in place. But for the demo I'm going to be using this magnetic board just because it makes it a little easier. So I'm putting my paper down, my foil on top. I feel like that's two. No, that's not two. Okay, good. Foil on top, and then I'm just going to put these magnets to hold it in place. It's a little faster than taping. And you're going to want to make sure your foil is nice and smooth when you put it through your machine. Oops, not like that. All right.
Now this is something that Memory Keepers is
working on. Yes, we are developing for the future a magnetic mat that has the grids on it. Just to make it easier. If you're doing 50 party invitations, you don't want to use that much tape, so we're just going to try to make it a little easier for you with magnetic mat, but that's coming soon. So now we're going to just place this in our machine and load it up. And this will work with, yeah, there's the little attachment and it's USB powered, so you can attach it to the USB port on your machine. If it doesn't have one, you can use a power bank, an iPad, a laptop, you know, whatever USB power source you want. This is going to work with Brother machines, with Eclipse machines, Silhouette, and Cricut. And you can use your own SVG files that you already have. It works with SVG files, or we've got 6 different thumb drives chock full of 250 designs. We've got holiday designs, generic designs. We have designs from Heidi Swap, Kelly Creates, Amy Tan, and Paige Evans. And so you can do the same thing that you can do with your cutting machine if you have a pen feature or a sketch feature. If you don't, we just insert it where the blade goes. And it's basically just drawing over the foil and heat transferring it onto the material. And it comes in an all-in-one kit because there are 3 different size tips: small, standard, and bold. And this one comes with all 3 sizes, plus the adapters you need for all the different cutting machines, and some placement tape, as well as 3 colors of foil, and that retails for $99. Or you can buy each of the tips separately in a kit that has all of the adapters you need for $39. This is a better deal though, because you're saving about 20 bucks. Plus you have a lot of different options. But basically for 40 bucks you can turn your cutting machine into a foiling machine, which is pretty cool. We're really excited with the reaction we're getting. This is the new product award that we were honored to win at the beginning of the show. So we're glad everyone's as excited as we are about the foil quill. And so let's take a look at the magic here. So that's a beautiful foil transfer, and that is not going anywhere. That's not coming off. It's a nice heat set transfer. This is your standard tip. Down here you can see the bold tip, and then here's the fine tip over here for more intricate designs. This is a lovely wedding invitation. And if you have SVG files that are layered, or that cut different layers that you can layer on top of each other, you can do multiple color designs with different color foil as well. So there's a lot of creative possibilities.
So this not only works with the different cutting machines, it works with the software for the different cutting machines as well.
Yep, absolutely.
And is paper the only application that you can use?
That is a good question. We've tested it extensively on a lot of different materials. This is ribbon. You can do some fabrics, some kinds of leather. We've done thin wood, chipboard, vinyl. So if you like to cut vinyl decals, you can foil them, which is really cool. We've done acetate. We've done, did I say wood? Thin wood. So a lot of different materials that you can transfer your foil onto.
And the heat element doesn't affect the wood or the vinyl or the acetate?
No.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that pretty? You make your first place ribbon, right?
Pretty awesome, right? You can see why it was the talk of the show floor. The only thing that I will warn you about is I don't believe this tool has been sanctioned by any of the cutting machines, and in fact I know for sure Cricut has said using third-party adapters will void the warranty on your machine. So you have to decide whether the really cool effects you can get with this new tool are worth voiding your warranty. But it's definitely something to keep your eye on for 2019. Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Visit me on my blog, maddencrafts.com, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!